Here is an interesting example on polynomials. We need to find area of rectangle with corner on parabola. So we have a parabola here, and that's the rectangle in which we're interested in finding the area. So this is the rectangle. Let me share it now. The question before us is, the diagram shows a rectangular region with one corner on the graph of y equals to 3 minus x times x plus 2. So this is a corner, and let's call this as xy. Find the area of the rectangular region for x equals to 2.5. Now, so what I've done here is I've written the two parts here separately. One is write the polynomial in standard form for area A of the shaded region. So let's first find one expression for the polynomial, and then we'll substitute 2.5 for x in our formula and get the answer, right? So that is how we will do it in two steps. So step number one is write polynomial in standard form for area. Now if you see this parabola, which is y equals to 3x minus 3 minus x times x plus 2, then any point where the value of x is x, y will be given by this expression, right? So the area of this rectangle will be the x value, which is like this, and y, which is the height of the rectangle, and therefore we can write area as equals to x times y. Now what is y in this case? Since the point is on the parabola, y is as given to us, so we can write this as x times 3 minus x times x plus 2. So that becomes the expression for the polynomial. Now since we have to write it in a standard form, so we can always expand and get our expression, right? So which will be, in this case, x times, let's multiply 3 by x and 3 by 2, distributive property. So we get 3x plus 6, and then minus x squared minus 2x. So we get our terms as, and we'll arrange them in order from highest exponent or degree to lower, right? So x cube is our highest one, so we'll write minus x cube first, and then 3x minus 2x is x, and we'll multiply that x by x, we get x squared, so we get plus x squared. And now the number which is constant is 6 for us. 6 times x is plus 6x. Now my recommendation is that you should not do it like this. You should actually simplify this expression first and then multiply it, right? So let me redo this here. So you should actually do like this, x times 3x, so we got only 1 with x squared, so let's write that first, and then 3x minus 2x is x plus x, and then the constant plus 6, and now you expand this and write as I have written, okay? Sometimes when we do shortcuts we may make errors. So that is the expression for us. Now it says find area of the rectangular region for x equals to 2.5. So you can plug in the value 2.5 here and find the area, right? So either way you could do, but I'll prefer using this standard equation, and you'll see how easy it is to use factored form at time. So area is 2.5, so I'm actually utilizing the expression which is given in factored form. So this is my equation for area. Area equals to x times 3 minus x times x plus 2. So I'll substitute 2.5 here. 2.5 times 3 minus 2.5 times 2.5 plus 2. So that gives you 2.5 times 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5, and this gives me 4.5, right? So let's multiply them and get the answer. It is 2.5 times 0.5 times 4.5, 5.625. So this is 5.625, right? So we get from the factored form. You could get the same area also from the expression. So let's try that also. So it is 2.5 whole cube plus 2.5 square plus 6 times 2.5. And what we get here is, let's start from the right side. So 6 times 2.5 plus 2.5 square equals to, and then minus, within bracket, 2.5 cube equals to 5.625. So we get the same answer, right? Now the units here are not given, so it's better to write unit as unit square. So if no units are given, we can write units as unit square. So now we can say answer is that the area of the shaded region is 5.625 unit square. I have purposely adopted two different methods here to show you options and ways you can do it, right? You adopt the way which is best for you. Thank you and all the best.